It was a regular Monday, with cloudy skies and leftover cereal in my teeth, until I saw the backpack. It was sitting at my bus stop, with no one around, no tag, no name, just there. A plain black bag with a silver zipper that looked like it hadn't rusted once in its life. I glanced around, but there were no cars and no footsteps, so I nudged it with my foot. The zipper moved, on its own, and it unzipped like it had been waiting. Inside, a single sheet of paper. "We've been watching. Put me on." I backed away, then the bus pulled up, and the bag zipped itself shut again. I didn't touch it. When I got to school, it was already in my locker. I hadn't opened it that morning. I swear I didn't. "Yo, cool new bag," said Josh, from science class, and I looked down. It was on my back, even though I hadn't put it on. By third period, I was panicking, because every time I tried to throw it away, it reappeared, under my desk, in my chair, and once, even inside my hoodie like I'd grown it. Then came the second note: "You're the new carrier. Complete 3 tasks. Or vanish." Vanish. I showed it to Mia, but she thought I was pulling some TikTok prank. Then the lights flickered, my phone died, and everyone froze, literally, like a paused video. The entire class stopped moving, except me and the bag. It opened again, and this time, it had a map, a glowing map of the school. Task 1. Find the broken heart. I followed the glowing lines through empty, frozen hallways to the janitor's closet. Inside, a mirror, cracked right down the center. I reached toward it, and the reflection blinked, then smiled. My hand trembled as I pulled out a small heart-shaped locket from the backpack and placed it on the mirror. The crack disappeared, and a voice whispered, "1 complete. 2 remain." The bell rang, time unfroze, and everyone acted like nothing happened. I was shaking, and Mia asked if I needed to go to the nurse. I said yes, just to escape. In the bathroom, the third note appeared: "You're doing well, carrier. Task 2. Silence the whisper." That's when I noticed it. The whisper, like static, a voice just behind my ear. I turned, but no one was there. The sound got louder as I neared the library, so I followed it to the oldest shelf. Books from before the school even existed lined the shelf. Then I saw it, a book pulsing with a red glow, with no title, just one word inside: "Listen." When I did, I heard crying. A kid, a boy, stuck, repeating the same words: "They forgot me." I whispered back, "I won't." The book slammed shut, and the crying stopped. Another note: "Final task. Speak your truth." That one scared me more than the others. I ran outside and sat by the field, with the backpack beside me. "Quiet now." I pulled out the last note. "Say what you're most afraid of. Out loud. Right now." I looked around, but there was no one near, just the wind. I whispered, "I'm scared no one would notice if I was gone." The backpack opened once more, and a single glowing card floated up. "You matter. You're seen. You're more than the background." Then, poof, the bag disappeared. Gone. Like it had never been there. The next day, Josh said, "Hey, you good, man? You seemed off yesterday." I nodded, but in my locker was something new. A tiny pin, a silver zipper, just sitting there, and a note: "Someone else will need you soon. Be ready."